Now going to discuss the topic is dividend concave method using to finding the maximum and minimum value. In this case there are two methods, one is iterative method, another one is dividend concave method. Iterative method is best for small number of numbers. Dividend concave method is best for the huge numbers. In this example there are 7 elements appeared in this array. Then find the maximum and minimum values. First one is iterative method. How to find max and min value from the iterative method? Here first values, that is a of 0, array representing a of 0, then a of 1, likewise up to a of 7. A of 0 equals to 5. 5 assigned to max value as well as minimum value. The first value is assigned to max value as well as minimum value. This values compared to next values. Okay, then first one is first case max and min value is also 5. Compare with 7. Compare 5 and 7. Here which one is maximum? 7. So max value changed to 7. Compare minimum value. Minimum is 5. So same number, same value appeared to minimum. The next one is 3. Compare with 7 and 3. Here maximum is 7. So appeared 7. Then compare 5 and 3. Here 3 is a minimum value. So change to 3. The next case, the next one is 9. So max values compare with 7 and 9. Here maximum value is 9. So 7 will be changed to 9. Then compare minimum value. So 3 also appeared minimum value. The next number is 12. 12 is compared to max and min, that is 9 and 12. Here 12 is maximum value. So 9 will be changed to 12. Then compare minimum value. Here 3 is a minimum value. So no change here. After that compare 6. 12 and 6, here maximum value is 12. So 12 appeared same. Then compare with minimum value 3 and 6. Here 3 will be appeared in minimum value. So next one is 2. 2 will be compared to 12. Maximum value is 12. Then minimum value is 3 and 2. Here 2 is a minimum value. So 2 will be changed to the minimum value. Likewise, we find the maximum and minimum value. In this algorithm, this is a pseudocode for to finding max and minimum value using iterative method. In this case, arguments are a, n, max and min. Here a of 0 will be assigned to max value, a of 0 will be assigned to min value. Same assigned to max and min. After that, for loop will be appeared for I is equal to 1 to n. A of 0 assigned to max as well as min value. Then next 1 to 7 will be processed for I is equal to 1 to n. Here a of 1 compare with max. If a of 1 is maximum, means a of 1 value assigned to max value, maximum value. Likewise a of 1 compared with minimum. That if in this case true, means a of j will be assigned to min value. Likewise, then this process will be processed. Then finally find the max and min value. Next one is dividend concave method. Dividend concave method means problem will be divided into subproblems. Subproblems will be divided into again subproblems. Likewise, we can finally find the dividend concave method using max and min value. In this case, there are 7 elements. In this array, there are 7 elements from 0 to 7. First, find the mid value. Mid value means to calculate the I plus j divided by 2. Here I value is 0, then j value is equals to 7. 0 plus 7 divided by 2 equals to 7 by 2. Final value is 3.5. Going to take approximate value 3. So 0 to 3 is the left part, 4 to 7 is the right part. Likewise here, the problem is divided into sub-problems. Left side part, another one is right side part. Here left side part 5, 7, 3, 4. Another one right side part is 9, 12, 6, 2. After that, here also divided into two sub-problems. Likewise 5 and 7 is one part, 3 and 4 another part, 9 and 12 is one part, and 6 and 2 is another part. Then here find the which one is maximum value. Compare 5 and 7, maximum value is 7, minimum value is 5. Likewise here compare 3 and 4, max 1 is 4, max 3, minimum 1 is 3. In this part also calculates likewise same. Max values, compare 9 and 12, 12 is maximum value, 9 is minimum value. Compare 6 and 2, max value is 6, minimum value is 2. Finally compare these two. 7 and 4, maximum value is 7, 5 and 3, minimum value is 3. Here compare 12 and 6, maximum value is 12, 9 and 2, minimum value is 2. Finally compare these two, 7 and 12, 12 is maximum value, 3 and 2, minimum value is 2. Likewise we calculate the dividend and concave method using maximum and minimum values. This method algorithm is algorithm max min of I comma j comma max comma min. In this case, in this example, there are only one elements, means this case will be work out. I equal to j means there are only one number, so this one is this number won't be max as well as this number only minimum. There is only one elements means. In case two elements will be appear in this examples means, compare these two values. Which one is maximum? In case a of j maximum means a of j will be assigned max value, a of I will be assigned min value. Otherwise means a of I assigned to max value, a of j assigned to min value. In this case will be worked out for two elements. Else case mean in case more than number of elements will be appeared means, this process dividend and concave method will be assigned. Problems will be divided into two parts, that is I plus j divided by 2. Find the mid value. Mid value divided into two parts, that is left part as well as right part. Here mid value is 3. 0 to 3 one part, then 4 to 7 is other part. So here 0 comma 3 comma 7 comma 3 will be arguments will be passed. Again divided into two part. After that find the max and min value. Likewise this part mid plus 1, already find the values. Mid value is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 to 7 values will be find the next part. Finally compare the max and max 1 values. Here which one is true? Max 1 greater means max 1 values will be assigned to max value. Min 1 which one is lesser value means that value will be assigned to min value. Likewise we finally calculate the max and minimum values using dividend concave method. This is algorithm for max and min values, this dividend concave method. This is the algorithm for iterative method. That's all, dividend concave method to finding max and min value. Thank you.